What if I told you that a small leak under your truck could cost you thousands in repairs later, and you wouldn't even hear it coming? That's right, your Ford F-150's exhaust system isn't just about sound. It's about safety, performance, and fuel economy. And when it starts to go bad, the signs might be more subtle than you think. Why the exhaust system matters. Let's start with the basics. The exhaust system on a Ford F-150, like in most vehicles, does much more than just direct fumes away from the engine. It reduces noise, controls emissions, improves fuel economy, and enhances engine performance. Modern F-150s, especially from 2004 and up, have complex exhaust systems with catalytic converters, resonators, mufflers, sensors, and sometimes dual exit configurations. If any part of that system fails, it throws off the whole performance. Plus, issues with the exhaust can be dangerous. Carbon monoxide leaks into the cabin can be lethal. This isn't just about your truck, it's about your safety. Section 2. Signs your exhaust needs replacement. So how do you know when your F-150's exhaust needs replacing? Here are the big warning signs: loud rattling or rumbling sounds. If your truck sounds like a muscle car all of a sudden, chances are the muffler or a pipe is cracked or rusted out. Decreased fuel efficiency. If you're visiting the pump more often, your exhaust could be restricting flow, or your O2 sensors might be reading inaccurately. Strong smell of exhaust in the cabin. This is a huge red flag. It could mean a leak somewhere before the catalytic converter. Check engine light, often related to oxygen sensors or catalytic converter performance. Visible rust, holes, or hanging components. Take a quick peek under your truck. If you see rusted out pipes or something dragging, it's time to act. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to bigger, more expensive problems, and could even be illegal depending on your local emission laws. Section 3. What's involved in a replacement? Now let's talk about the replacement process. Depending on the model year and engine type, replacing the exhaust on an F-150 can range from simple to very complex. A basic catback system replacement might involve removing the muffler and pipes from behind the catalytic converter and bolting on a new system. But if your catalytic converters are clogged or rusted, and let's face it, older trucks often deal with this, you may need a full exhaust overhaul. Here's what's typically involved. Removing rusted bolts, sometimes needing heat or cutting tools. Disconnecting O2 sensors, replacing gaskets and clamps. Lining up the new exhaust properly for clearance and sound tuning. It's a job that can take a DIYer a full afternoon or a pro shop about 2 to 3 hours depending on the condition. Section 4, DIY's professional install. Thinking about doing it yourself? It's definitely possible, especially if you have jack stands, a socket set, and a bit of patience. Many aftermarket kits like Flowmaster, Borla, or MagnaFlow come with everything you need to bolt right up. But here's the kicker. The job gets way more complicated if your system is welded, your bolts are rusted solid, or your catalytic converter needs replacing. Also, don't forget emissions compliance. In some states, removing or modifying your catalytic converter could get you into serious trouble. So if you're not 100% confident, or if you're dealing with sensors and emissions, it's worth getting a quote from a trusted mechanic. It may cost more up front, but it could save you big in the long run. Section 5, costs to expect. Let's break down the kit. Basic muffler replacement, $150 to $300 catback system. Upgrade, $400 to $900, depending on brand and materials. Full exhaust replacement with catalytic converters, $100 to $200 to $2,500 labor costs, $150 per hour at most shops. And remember, high-performance exhausts not only sound better, they can increase horsepower and fuel efficiency. So it's not just a repair, it can be an upgrade. Closing, the solution. So what's the bottom line? If your Ford F-150 is making weird noises, losing power, or guzzling gas, it's time to take a serious look at the exhaust system. Ignoring it could cost you in performance, emissions, and even safety. Inspect your exhaust regularly. especially in cold climates where salt causes rust. Decide early whether you're going DIY or heading to a shop. And if you're upgrading, consider a system that gives you better sound, power, and durability. Because whether you're hauling gear, heading off-road, or just commuting, your F-150 deserves to breathe easy. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you next time, gearheads.